Welcome to this V2R Real-Time Riverina user guide. To launch the interactive 3D model, click on the Design button. A short loading screen will appear, and once the application has fully loaded, click on the tick to access the model. Once you see an overview of the site, you can start interacting. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse across the screen to adjust the view angle. You can move to any location by placing your mouse cursor and clicking the right mouse button once. Use the button at the bottom of the screen to return back over the site area. To zoom in or out, you can either use the mouse wheel or the slider on the left side of the screen. Use the menu on the left to turn on photogrammetry data. After the data has loaded, this enables you to explore the existing environment in great detail. Click the Proposed Development button to turn on the proposed site with the ability to look at the base and turn on buildings and vegetation separately. You can explore the scene in more detail by using the Ground Mode feature. Simply double-click to land and you will set down to the ground. Click and hold the left mouse button to look around and use the WASD keys to walk around. You can also launch a virtual drone. Once in drone mode, the spacebar will enable you to gain altitude and the control key will lower your altitude. Similar to walk mode, use the mouse and the WASD keys in conjunction with the spacebar and control key to fly around the scene. You can also speed up by holding down the shift key. To explore the interiors, click on Explore Detailed Units and you will be able to select Pod Q or the two Pod D variations. You can access the units by clicking the buttons in the menu or by clicking on the icons displayed in the scene. After a brief loading period, you will find yourself inside the unit. Once again, click and hold the left mouse button and use the WASD keys to walk around. You also have the ability to turn on furniture to view a fully furnished unit. Once you're in the interior, you can also change the field of view with the button in the top left corner of the screen. You can change to 90 degrees, the default 115 degrees, and a 130 degree wide angle. Using drone mode in the interior also enables you to fly the drone in an inside space and explore the scene in a bit more detail. To move to another unit, open the Change Units tab and select the unit you would like to move to. You can now explore this other unit type in the same way. Once again, without furniture and with furniture. To return back to the external view of the project, click the arrow icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. To take a snapshot of the scene, navigate to the snapshot menu in the top left corner with the ability to add markups, text annotations, and the option to save a snapshot as a PNG, export it as a PDF, or email it as a branded brochure straight away. You can also create video output by clicking on the video camera icon and after the countdown, Any interaction will be recorded until you click the icon once again. You can then watch a preview of the animation and save it or discard it as required. Measurement tools can be used at any scale, for example, to measure distances or pathways, the height of objects, the area contained within a shape, or the radius around a center point. You can use the shadow analysis tool to switch between summer and winter solstice, and also change the time of day using the slider. To exit the application, click the button in the bottom left corner of the screen.